Na slovenski glasbeni sceni imamo nov parček. Slovenska diva Helena Blagne in fantje iz skupine Elvis Jackson so namreč sinoči v prestolnici združili moči na skupnem koncertu.
2 technologies, 1 goal, 2 brands, 1 product, 2 musicians, 1 song. To support the launch of NLB Pay, a new mobile wallet in Slovenia, a leveraged MasterCard sponsorship of Brit Awards, we challenged the conventional by mashing 2 opposing worlds. Presenting NL Blender, an unexpected music collaboration of artists who were first revealed to NLB Pay users only. The project blew minds in online, print, and social media, hyping up the scene with MasterCard's asset, behind-the-scenes news and artist content. Leading all fans to one meeting point, the NL Blender landing page, where they invited themselves to our final act, the first ever live artist mashup of Kino Siska, hoping to be the lucky winners of the MasterCard's trip to Brit Awards in London. A priceless, one-of-a-kind performance offered an exclusive hearing of the artist's first blend, The Reason Is Music.
The reason is music and positive vibes. All what we do is we dance the light. The reason is music and positive vibes. All what we do is...
NL Blender proved how cultural barriers crumble when people are brought together for the mutual love of music.
Te stvari niso izziv samo za izvajalce, ampak tudi za poslušalce. Mi moramo tudi preupraševati ideologije, ki nas določajo, predsodke, ki nas omejujejo, in to združevanje svetov je top.
The song outgrew the project, with both artists performing as guests at each other's concerts later in the year, and continues to impact popular culture by vying to become the next summer hit.